Hello guys, it is Jezzi again. Look at that. You're getting a part 2 of the video, first one. So, I thought I was done trading for the day when my puts here kind of reversed, like terribly. I thought I was done. But I'm not done. Oh my god. Alright, whatever. I was not done. I lied. I stayed on the charts and I was looking for another opportunity. So, after this huge jump, I can see that it keeps rejecting off this same resistance, and it is pre-market high. It is rejecting. It does not want to break that because it just simply does not have enough buy pressure to break it. So what did happen? Rejected, came up again, tried again, and I noticed that it rejected really hard. So I waited for it to retest. I entered up here. Stop loss is pre-market high, and just look at this absolute beauty of a trade. Like this is amazing. So I bought 445 contracts. I bought 445 contracts. I'm not gonna tell you how many, because then you can do the math on how much I made, and that's not public information, even though no one watches these videos still. But I bought a good amount of contracts, and I bought them at 8 cents a pop, which is $8 a piece, and I did sell them around here at this green line. I sold them at about 53 cents per contract. But holy cow. But now, like down here, they'd probably be worth like 80 something cents, 90 cents. But still, I'm not complaining. I made what I lost here. I'm really happy with the trade. When this happens, it's called a flush. All like when this is not gonna come without repercussions. This jump, as you can see, price boom, tick this a couple more times, and just shot right back down. All this progress here, look, it's still going. If I were to hold, I did 500% on my trade. If I didn't sell, I'd probably be up like 1,000%. But here I saw how it wicked down really hard and started retesting. I didn't really like it, and I'm not gonna be greedy. When I made my man, I made what I lost and money on top. So big rule in trading is never to be greedy. Yeah, just don't be greedy. That's why I sold. I could have left runners, but you know what? I just don't like thinking about it. When I'm done with a trade, when I'm trading and I make money, I do a good trade. I don't like to stay in them. I like to just that is the whole point of trading. That's like the main reason why you want to learn it. Make your money. Don't think about it. Ugh, hold on. I like totally lost what I was saying. I think I'm just like astonished of how much this has came down. Yeah, but I'm definitely gonna have a good read for a pre-market analysis later tonight. But yeah, this is just basically like a part 2 video of the 3-4 trade analysis. 8 cents to 53 cents, and if I check, they are now at 90 cents. So can't complain. Really good trade. Really happy with it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Alright, so I don't think I really explained why I took these trades, and I don't feel like rewatching the video. So I'm gonna just go over really quick. Alright, so the first trade, I It was right about here. I noticed that we have same highs but a lower low. And I noticed that this candle was getting stuck at this support, but it's now acting as resistance, so I went shorts. Obviously, if you can see, that did not happen. Price, I think I was on a bigger time frame, and I wasn't really shuffling through time frames, so I didn't really get a good grasp of how everything was kind of funneling up into this push up. So that is a mistake on my part. I thought I was gonna be done trading for the day, but I just like to stick around and watch the charts because that is the only way you're gonna get better. Just because you don't want to take another trade doesn't mean you cannot watch the charts, how they move, how volume's affecting it, how time affects it. It's all part of the learning curve, and most of you guys are not going to do that because you don't want it bad enough. And that goes for everything in life. I don't mean to be corny, but it is the truth, especially coming from me. Um, yeah, so the second trade, so I was just watching this, I was like, oh my God, what the hell just happened? So I'm not gonna really explain it in detail, but I have this thing called the M strat, as in money. I'm gonna see if yeah, you guys will try to figure it out what I mean. But but I saw, so from that was my first trade. I did not do good on that. I lost it. It's fine. It's whatever. New opportunities. I watched this whole thing play out. So what did I do? I was watching this and I noticed that it came up to this the pre-market high and rejected. Came up again, rejected. Came up again, rejected. Now it's retesting back to this resistance, now acting as a support. I noticed it came back up. I knew if I was watching this level really closely. If it were to hold above this pre-market high, it had the potential to go, which would be really interesting because that would be another new high. But it rejects, comes up, isn't able to break it, rejects again. I noticed it's a little bit lower. So I was like, you know what? I think I'm gonna go puts. Bought 445 puts, and just like it's self-explanatory. Look at that, just absolutely flushes and crushes a new low for the day. So I'm really happy with this trade. I bought them at 8 cents here, sold them here for about 50 cents, and they went to around like 90 cents. But I did sell early because I was not being greedy. It's a big one. Do not be greedy. But yeah, that is my 3-4 trade analysis. I will be doing my next day price analysis later tonight. Yeah, M strat. I don't know. Just noticed the came up to the pre-market highs and was rejecting really hard. So I figured it was gonna just absolutely come through, and it did. It cannot say anything poor about that. This is like damn near a perfect trade, and I'm really happy about it. So I will see you guys later when I do my March 5th price analysis. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.